Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Sarsfield Technology. They're looking for a part-time digital marketing, communications, manager of web developers. It pays up to $40 an hour. A growing technology, telecom, and security company in Troy. MI seeks to hire a part-time digital marketing and communications manager that will also be responsible for internal and external web development projects. If you love using technology for communications, marketing, growing brands, and helping people, then this is your position. We provide training with all our partner solutions and products. Exceptional opportunity for growth and team lead positions for the right person. Applicants must have a good driving record and pass a criminal background check. Position requirements: part-time, flexible schedule about 15 to 20 hours per week. Digital marketer, web development project manager responsibilities will include for both internal and external facing projects. Coordinate and manage vendor, partner social media, promotions, news, and materials for release on company social media, blogs, newsletters, and websites for both internal use and clients. Manage company mailing lists for promotions, emails, and alerts to clients and employees. Manage updates, changes on websites, including managing developers of any significant updates or changes required. Perform minor WordPress changes for content that wouldn't require a developer. Manage website and digital marketing-based tickets. Direct the correct person responsible for that area. Work with vendors to resolve or resolve it directly. Manage and review hosting services, marketing tools, client-facing services, and processes. Confirm work of developers done in a timely fashion. Review design and functionality before reviewing completed work with the client. Job type: part-time. Pay up to $40 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule Monday to Friday, supplemental pay, bonus pay, education, associate preferred, experience, digital marketing, 3 years required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.